Welcome to Manchester. You already know this, guys. Our standard is to heat up the food for dinner, the one that I brought from home, and to prepare my space for my rest. So let's do that. Today I'm having the tuna salad from Costa. For my dinner, I'm gonna have buckwheat with chicken cutlets, which I'm gonna heat in the microwave. I have some cottage cheese with berries, but I think I'm gonna have it tomorrow because it's gonna be too much for me already. And I have one date. There is no fridge. This is very sad because I will have to finish that cottage cheese today. Otherwise it's gonna expire and I don't want it to expire, so I'll do my best to finish it. Anyways, let's go and heat up the food.